Hello, I'm in a 2008 Pontiac G6 and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first we'll go on the driver's side here, and then you should see a lever here that you pull. That little pop sound, if you heard it, there's a safety release. Also, if there's no tension at all here, just check back through here if you can, make sure everything's connected. Typically back up under the plastic there'll be like a cable that's connected, but otherwise we'll go up to the front. Most vehicles towards the middle, there's a safety release, like a little lever. So here we're gonna push it this way and lift the hood. That's it. So that's what it's hooked onto. This is what that whole mechanism looks like. So this is what I was pulling. If you're having issues, make sure there's no debris in here. Maybe spray some WD-40. Same thing, make sure your hood's properly aligned straight. Worst case, these parts aren't too hard or expensive to replace. That's it. Hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.